Hi guys, I'm Mary the Blind Jeweler, and today I'm going to be doing a different video than normal. I'm going to be reviewing this Rainbow Dreams friendship bracelet making kit. It comes with 11 different types of beads and 2 different kinds of string. This kit is exclusive to Walgreens, and I picked it up for about $8. I wasn't sure if it was on sale, but that's what I would pay for it if it wasn't. Okay, here's the label coming off. The beads come in this plastic tray, and I just took them out. It was just pretty much to conserve space. Here are the 2 bits of string. It comes with this kind of ropey hot pink string, and then this elastic white string that I normally use. And here are the beads. They have these gold closer beads that I normally use for my videos. These pearlescent bubble-looking beads, I have a pretty good idea what I want to do with. These multicolored smiley face flower beads. These clear flat circle beads with smiley faces in the middle. These basic, I think they're called perler beads, where they have big holes and have this like egg oblong circle. And we have these about 3 or 4 millimeter acrylic beads. We have green, like a baby pink and a light blue. Honestly, the green ones look like peas to me. Here are the pink ones and the baby blue ones. I love this color. Kind of like a robin eggs blue. Here are these letter beads, and I really like these for charms or for half segment beads. They come in all kinds of colors. Then we have these building block or like square letter beads, or cube letter beads. Honestly, these would be really cute for making like a baby shower or a first birthday or any type of little friendship bracelet, just because they look like little building blocks. And our everyday run-of-the-mill flat circle with letter on them beads. I have way more of these than I really would like to own. They're cool for spelling out words, but I wouldn't use them otherwise. Now, I'm going to make a test bracelet just with one of every bead. And I'm going to use the clear elastic string. And I'm going to put it in a time lapse, so by the time I get done talking, it will be done. I'll show this bracelet whenever it's finished. Here is the test bracelet all finished. It is very skinny, so I wouldn't recommend trying to put my hand through this. I'm going to snap the elastic. Honestly, it makes a pretty cute bracelet if I just use more beads and had a bit of a theme to it, because it just looks like a jumbled mess. Here's me trying to put my hand through it, and it can barely fit over just 4 fingers. Now, I want to make a more themed, or would you even say professional bracelet with this pink ropey string. I have a pretty good idea what I want to make with it. And I'll give you a hint, but you've already seen this video, so, well, the hint, anyway, if, I don't know, you're watching this on eTV and you can't see thumbnails, is pink and green, and they're both witches. Now, the bracelet that I am making is themed around the Wicked movie. It was one of my favorite musicals growing up, and I cannot believe that they made a movie. The movie was amazing. I will keep it spoiler-free, but it's very emotional, and I keep singing the songs on the daily when I'm even not thinking about it. Unfortunately, I went through every single letter bead, and there is not a green E for Elfie, so I had to put a blue E, and I found a pink G for Galinda, and the yellow W was supposed to resemble the yellow brick road, and if you haven't seen the movie, it plays a very important part in the story, and honestly, I love the movie. If you're a fan of The Wizard of Oz, you're definitely going to pick up on how Oz became the way it is. If you've watched the musical or the movie, there are plenty of little hints that tell you, oh, that's where Oz came from. That's why they do this and that, and that's how this happened. Honestly, it's a half prequel, half middle sequel-ish series. We show what happened to Elfie and how Glinda reacted, but we also show what Glinda did after the Wicked Witch died, and then we see encounters after it, but that's part 2's problem. I love how it ended. It was so dramatic and so fun. And I will stop talking. Alright, here is my Wicked bracelet all done. Here's Elphaba's side. Has all of the greens and everything. And the blue E, because I couldn't find a green one. Now for Elphaba's side, I put all green and added a little purple for accent. I put a golden W in the middle. And then on Glinda's side, I put all pink with an accent color of blue. Fluorescent spherical beads because they looked like bubbles, and Glinda is the queen of bubbles. That's her entire design. Then all of the pink. And I actually made this where it can fit around my wrist, so I can wear this the next time I see the movie. Oh my goodness, I love this bracelet. It goes so perfectly with the movie. And I organized a short that will go up along with this video, so this bracelet can be shown off in a little bit more detail, and oh, I'm so excited. As soon as I opened this case up, I instantly thought, ooh, that would make a perfect Glinda bracelet. I honestly forgot to mention that the dividers in the case are removable, so you have to worry about that because they don't lock in place, so you can easily accidentally pull it up and your beads go unsorted and everywhere, so I would definitely be cautious of that. It has your normal snap open case. It's honestly a lot clearer of plastic than most bead cases I've found, so honestly this would be a good case to have for normal beads if these run out. I don't really have much else to say. The string is really high quality considering how cheap everything is. These would make some really adorable friendship bracelets, and I hope that whoever buys this set after my review, or even on the street, I don't really care, has a lot of fun with this, because I sure did. I would recommend this set if you're a first-time bracelet maker, or you just want to test it out, or even if you do it as a hobby. This set is really, really good to pick up and just mess around with. Even if you don't use this set completely for every single bracelet you make, it would make really good accents or even closer beads for your final bracelet, especially the little 3mm beads. You can make a lot of cool necklaces or even other crafts. Like, I have used the perler beads for weave before, and it's honestly a good set to even just use it for regular crafting, not just for bracelet making. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I will see you next week for another bracelet. Bye.